Good evening, this is Hal Bender from GC Buckhead. It's August 3rd, Thursday night, and we are having open house. We've got a great turnout for our preschool, grades kindergarten through 5. We've got parents getting their transportation information, PTA, site-based counsel, and everything is going great, so we're really excited to see the kids again.
Hi, I'm Miss Perry. I'm a teacher here at Buckhead, 5th grade teacher. I teach 5th grade math. Tonight is our open house, and we've had lots of kids come through. We're excited to see them and get the new year started. This year, I'm looking forward to meeting all my new students and hopefully having them excel in math and being their teacher.
So my name's Mark Dow. I am the PTA president for GC Buckhead, and we are here gathering volunteers for the year and voting for our site-based council representative.
Jennifer McCoy, bus driver for Hardin County Schools. Welcome to the new school year. Our bus drivers are working very hard getting their routes ready. You should have a postcard that you get at the school that'll have the bus transportation information on it. If you feel the information is incorrect, then you can call the transportation office and we can get you all straightened out. But we're ready for a new year. Let's have fun.
I'm Nellie Thomas, and I'm with Hope Academy for Kids, and one of our students, Aranisa and I, are here promoting our after-school services. They're completely free to students, and we're here at GC Buckhead Elementary giving away free supplies and just giving out information about this amazing full-scale mentoring program right here in Hardin County.
Hi, I'm Jermaine Nussbaumer. I'm the school nurse at GC Buckhead Elementary School with Cumberland Family Medical. Here at Open House, getting kiddos ready to go for the school year. A little bit about our services and our programs here. We do everything in our office, from well child checkups to update your immunizations, keep sick care visits for your kiddos. We have a dental program you're more than welcome to sign up for. We can take care of all that while your kids are here at school.
My name is Officer Billy Bowen. I'm the school resource officer here at GC Buckhead, also officer with the Elizabethtown Police Department. This is my full-time home near school. Love being here, love to assist the staff, the kids. My job is to help teach kids. I teach dare here at GC Buckhead. Also protecting my staff, my kids. That's my job, what I do. I enjoy it.
Hey, good evening, everyone. My name's Sean McFarlane. I'm with PAC 233. We're at a United Methodist Church. We're here at GC Buckhead this evening, doing the open house night and recruiting for Cub Scouts. Cub Scouts is a great merit-based organization, an ethics-based organization where we get young children out to do fun and exciting things. They get to camp, they get to hike, they experience nature, they get to serve others in the community. And we also have a lot of fun events. We've got Pinewood Derby coming up in December, where Cub Scouts are going to get to cut out their cars with parental supervision, and then they're going to race their Pinewood Derby cars down a track. I'm a lifetime scouter. I'm a Air of Life awardee, and I'm an Eagle Scout. My son's a wolf this year. I'm the Wolf Den leader, and we have a wonderful time. It's a great experience, and it gets you out and amongst the community.
I'm Marcia Rich. I am a Girl Scout troop leader, and I'm here with Girl Scouts of America and Girl Scouts of Kentuckiana. We are at GC Buckhead right now, and we are recruiting new Girl Scouts from grades kindergarten through 12, and we're just excited to be here.
Hello, my name is Suzanne Parrott, and I am the coordinator for the Family Resource Center here at GC Buckhead, and you can reach me at 270-737-0896, and I'm here to serve all of our families. Whatever needs you might have or resources that you might have questions about in our community, I can help with that. I also coordinate all of the counseling and mental health services here at the school. So if your child or your family is in need of counseling resources, just give me a call and I can help you set that up because we do have several licensed therapists that come to school here every day. We also have a cradle school program, and that is for our kiddos who are not yet in school, so birth through 5. We have a once weekly program that they can attend as well too over at College View. So we are so happy that everyone came out tonight to visit us here at GC Buckhead for our open house, and we look forward to having a great year with you. And something that I am really excited about is our scavenger hunt that we have during fall break.